Okay, so for the next phase, I'm gonna go ahead and add my distilled water. Now, it don't have to be hot, guys, but I did just kind of warm mine up on the kettle. Okay guys, so I let it cool down, and as you can see, it thickened up a whole lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it a little bit, and then it's gonna thicken up a little bit more. But I want it to get like to a really creamy consistency. So once it gets to that consistency, then we can go ahead and add everything else. Okay guys, now you can see this is the consistency that you were going for. I was telling you earlier, if it was still thick, don't get discouraged. Just take your time, let it cool down, because if it's too hot, it won't look like this. And now we're going to go into the next phase, okay? This is what makes it that nice, thick, creamy sugar scrub that you guys see and that you're so in love with. Without it looking like this, with the perfect recipe and the right ingredients, it will not look like this at all. So this is beautiful. We are ready to go into the next phase. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a preservative. Okay guys, I went ahead and added everything. As you can see, it's nice and thick and pretty. Now you can go ahead and get your hand mixer, or if you're using a stand mixer, it's a perfect time to get it. I want you to go ahead and start adding your sugar. We're going to use a lot of sugar because I want it to be a very thick, beautiful consistency. And it's going to look like, oh my God, Diamond, that's a lot of sugar. It is. It's going to be a whole lot. All right, so you can add your mica right now. You can add your soap color if you're using liquid, colors or something like that. You could go ahead and add it, and you can add your fragrance. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my fragrance in here, and then I'm going to add my... Like I told you guys, we're going to be using a lot of sugar, guys. A lot of sugar. All right, y'all. This looks like a mountain of sugar and mica. So we're going to go ahead and use our hand mixer and mix it together. All right, guys, so I just want you guys to see the consistency. I could just kind of reach in there and grab it if I want to and pull it out. Kind of reminds me of the slime that my daughter used to make a long time ago. She used to be making slime, but it kind of reminds me of that. As it sits for a little while, it will harden a little bit, and I could take it and I could do ice cream scoops, which you guys will see. But I just wanted to show you this consistency does not change as far as like remaining thick like this. It don't get watery or anything like that. This is pretty much the consistency I was going for, okay, where I could just pull on it and it's beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna name this Lucky Charms. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this into a container, a lot of containers. I'm looking forward to the thickening of it, but I just wanted you guys to see exactly what it is that we're going to be making in our sugar scrub class. And I'm going to be adding more. We're going to be doing foam and whip. We're going to be doing a lot. So you guys just pay attention and stay with me, and you guys will see we will be doing a whole lot in these classes. Okay, guys? I'm so excited, and I hope you guys love this beautiful consistency, okay? Just pull on it, okay? We can just pull on it. All right?